a little bit behind, over, up through the back, down into the ground, and then let them go. So we've been going through a process of spinning the energy on a big circle, coming under our partner, and then hitting the points of tension and stretching the energy all the way out to the end of the room, or going up more vertically, depending on the space that you've got. Now, what we're going to do now is do all that purely with magnetic body mechanics. So I get the magnetism there, run the big spiral, and then put my mind where I want him to go. If you want to stand up and catch him and take a strong stance. Yeah. Now I'm going to magnetize his mental body onto him, and then let the energy just equalize. But I want to do it through a nice, clean, big, the magnetism's already there. Now he's pulling towards the point where my mind is, and he'll keep going towards that point until I release him. So I pull him up, he's a little bit behind, over, up through the back, down into the ground, and then let him go. That's slow motion. But when you do it faster, he's playing catch up to the energy. So that magnetic field, and if you look at Tai Chi classics, pluck the back, powers in the heel, everything they're saying is pointing at magnetic body mechanics. And it creates that unusual reaction that looks good on YouTube. So have a play.